Get him. Pet him. Like this. Pet him. No, you don't grab his ear. You pet him like this. Don't stop your asthma treatments unless your doctor tells you to. Tell your doctor if your asthma worsens or if you have a parasitic infection. Go ahead, Tiger. He don't want you. Go on, boy. Ask an asthma specialist about Fasenra. Let him go. You supposed to rub him. You supposed to pet him. No, no, you pet him like this. You grab him by his ears, you go like this. Pet him. Yeah, like that. There you go. Do it. Just a little baby. No, you rub him like this. Yeah, there you go. No, there you go. That's a good boy like that. You rub him. Yeah, good boy. There you go. You rub him like this. Say, hey, kitty. Hey, kitty. Do it. You rub them. Yeah, there you go. That's better. There you go. There you go. You never mentioned you were the Secretary of Defense. Not so hard, like this. You smacking him upside his head. No, no, you go like this to him. You all right, boy? You done went to sleep over there, huh? No, Messiah, you can't do that. No, you can't do that. You gotta pet him. He a little baby. You grabbing him by his ears. No. You going like this. You just go like this to him. Rub him. Rub him. Try it. You dangerous. Come on, kitty. Get away from him. He ain't cool. He gonna hurt you.